So this is what it's all about. I'm here with David, who's always the one to talk, always on the phone, and Shelton, and there's Alan. And we've never seen these guys before or communicated. Here, this is the main technical guy, and this guy is standing up behind me. He is the main. He's always in the background, doesn't say much, but he's very important member of the team. So, yeah, thank you for welcoming me to the head office. So, great. This is when you email on CN Support. This is Mike. He's the guy that will answer. He's a good guy. He's based here in the main factory. So, if you've got questions or feedback, he's the guy. It's CN Support at globaltech-china.com, and he'll respond pretty quickly. But just be aware, holidays, public holidays and stuff may be a bit slow, but generally we're all good. So he's a good guy. So thanks for your help. Thanks for your support. Thank you. I'm actually in the factory. We're making inverters, so we're going to be talking on the video. So I'm actually filming it, so it's quite difficult to film it and actually narrate. So you haven't seen an awful lot of me, but yeah, let's carry on and do the rest of the factory tour, and you'll see what it's all about. So this is where the main board is being assembled. This is Professor Alan. So this is the PCB assembly. 50k, 50, 30k. It's nice. This is the small one. It's nice. It's nice, the new cake. Really compact for a 50k. So soak testing the inverter. So how long is the inverter on soak test? 15 minutes. On this machine? Yeah. 15 minutes. Pro. This is the 2 kilowatt 4 channel.
2 kilowatt. Yeah. It's for big channel.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
The
35 kilo. This is the string inverter. It's great. Yeah, I love all of the work instruction on the TV monitor. So changing. Version 8, 10, 12. So
yeah.
what's the is it the inverter rating is different, or is it the MPPT, or what's the difference? What's the MPPT?
So MPPT is the same. It's 2 and 1.
So it's the same.
MPPT.
Right, but the inverter power is different. It's either 8 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, or 12 kilowatt inverter power. So it's a difference. Okay.